Finally, we are here in the new studio. After years of hard work and frustration, making videos in a small bedroom, at last we made it. So this is the part 1. I don't know how many parts this is going to have, but this is the part 1 of the studio tour. Let's begin. But believe me guys, it is. We need to buy a lot of things to make this place functional and enjoyable to work at. Right now we have placed things that we find functional, but we might move things around as we go. So I'll be showing you everything as of the current placement. You can also leave your suggestions down below in the comments as well, so we can apply your cool ideas in the studio. Starting from the start, this is the main entrance to the floor. From the entrance to the end of the floor, I love this space. Me and my family put our hearts out to make this place. Even though I'm not pursuing architecture, but I gave everything I could. So on the right we have a drawing room. I have this space I'm most proud of, and that is the drawing room. Not any official name yet, but this place where I and my brother would sit and work and relax and all that. As you enter the room, even though it doesn't feel like a big room, but it is kind of big open space, and as you enter you have this beautiful full height glass which gives you a very beautiful view of the park and some ugly neighbors. I hate them. Now here on the left I used to have my old desk, which I recently replaced with this sit and stand desk. I got this last week. This is from Herman Miller Ratio Desk, and also I got the Aerion chair as well, and I cannot express how happy I am. It took me so long to save and buy this piece of furniture. I spent the whole day assembling this desk, and this is what it looks like. Corner of this room, which is very close to my heart. I like to call it jam pad, very cliche, but this is the place where I have my musical instruments laid out, like piano, guitar, amps, Chennai, Duffley, etc. And you know my piano skills, right? You have seen it before. Last year I got this Yamaha F370, an amazing guitar, and I have some skills. I'll show you. Next we have a kitchen, and one of the most essential thing in the whole office. Right now we don't have any, hob, fridge, any appliances, but we are planning to adding things as we go on. And so let's see how much time it takes. For now we only have this coffee machine, which we don't use much, but I won't mind if I get a coffee machine from Philips to review. I won't mind that. So let's move on to the next area. To the left we have the working area. These tables came in like few days ago, and the whole area is dedicated to the team, so they can sit and craft these videos. We don't have a big team yet, but we are expecting to get more people on board very soon, so I and they can work together and craft these one-of-a-kind videos for you. Also, I forgot to mention, they have this beautiful bathroom to pee in. Now on the back side of the floor we have these two rooms. Which way should we go? Left or right? Let's go this way. Now before we move forward, I want to tell you something, that this is the first floor of the building. On the ground floor I have my residence, and on the first floor this is the office area. I know this might sound absurd, but this is going to be my bedroom. I know I'm mixing public and private spaces, but I am not married yet, thankfully. So either I'll be working in the office or sleeping in my room, so I don't think I'll have much of a problem. Let's go this way. We are not planning to stuff in 50 people in this building. It's only going to be 4 or 5 people max, and I could just lock the door in the office time. We will move to a bigger office once our team expands even further, as we require even more people to take this channel to higher levels. Anyways, nothing crazy in the room. Here I have a bed and a bathroom. That's it. Now let's have a look at where all the magic happens, and that is the recording room. Let's get in. So this is the room where I will be filming all the videos and maybe podcast. Right now the setup is very weak. I mean, look at this table. It gets the job done, but what I'm planning to do is put a big ratio desk here and 3-4 chairs around so that the set can be used for video recording, podcast and all that. And we will try to set everything in such a way that it takes like 0 time to set up, like fixing the lights in the ceiling and leaving the cameras in their places. We'll see. So that's about it. And these were installed recently. These are the acoustic foams, not acoustic, mind you. These help to decrease the reflected sound, and after installing I saw a huge improvement, but this is not enough. We need to treat the rest of the room to get the best results. For now it is what it is. Also, if you want to check all the gears lying here and there, you can find that from the top right corner. We did a whole video on that. But anyways, to the back we have a balcony, and that's it. This is where the magic would happen, at least what I'm expecting. Views aa jaye bhai, नहीं तो bankrupt हो जाएंगे. The first phase is over, and next would be to add more people and furniture, and you guys will be the first to witness the progress of this channel. So I want to thank you, all of you guys, for supporting me this far. Now if you can take a moment, I want you to comment down below that you were here, so that when we reach 1 million subs or more than that, I could see you were here before anyone else. I am pumped to work here, and I hope you guys enjoyed the new space. Let's spit fire videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for supporting me this far. Okay, I have to go now. See you next Saturday, 7 PM. Until then, stay safe. Bye-bye.
और किस किस के ऐसे तारों एक ही साथ ले लेते हैं सब कुछ है। देखो यार,
इसके तो अच्छे ले लिए, तो ये ना लगाइए।
ये अच्छे क्यों आ रहे हैं?
ये अच्छा है ना
क्योंकि ये सेट हो रखे तरीके से। ये होता है कबाड़। ऐसा कबाड़ इकट्ठा होता है जब आप यूट्यूबर होते हो। गंद ही गंद, हर जगह गंद, हर जगह गंद। यहाँ नहीं, बस कट्टे पड़े हुए हैं, कट्टे पड़े हुए हैं। आज के लिए इतना ही।